Welcome to MTH Health. Today, we're stripping away the mystery. I'm showing you the full Brazilian process from a professional perspective. A successful wax starts with your setup. You need a clutter-free space and lighting that hits the skin directly. If you can't see the follicle, you can't remove it. We are using professional hard wax today. Unlike soft wax, this only grips the hair, not the skin, making it the safest choice for sensitive areas. Temperature is your foundation. Your wax should be the consistency of thick, warm honey. Too thin, it burns. Too thick, it won't encase the hair. Preparation is non-negotiable. Use a pre-wax cleanser to remove oils. This creates a dry, clean surface for the wax to bond directly to the root. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Use the edge of your spatula to press firmly, ensuring the wax wraps around every single strand. The professional secret is the tab. Leave a thicker edge where there is no hair. This creates a built-in handle, so you don't have to pick at your skin. Tension is what makes a wax tolerable. Use your free hand to pull the skin as tight as a drum. This prevents lifting and reduces the sting. Now, the pull. Stay parallel to the skin. Never pull upward. One fast, confident motion is all it takes. Don't hesitate. Speed is your friend. The second that strip is off, press your hand down firmly for 3 seconds. This is the pressure touch. It stops the sting before it starts. This is what you want to see. The root bulbs. If you see these, you've successfully removed the hair from the follicle for long-lasting results. For any stubborn strays, use a smaller spatula for a cleanup pass. You can go against the grain here, but never apply wax to the same spot twice. Finish with a post-wax oil. This dissolves any sticky residue and instantly calms the skin. It's the difference between irritation and a professional finish. For the next 24 hours, let your skin breathe. No hot showers, no intense workouts, and no tight clothing. Your pores need time to close naturally. Home waxing is a skill that saves you time and money. If this visual guide helped you, hit the subscribe button for more skin health tips.